Hey, how you doing? It's Kwan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And today you landed on this video because you wanted to see me do another withdrawal from Copy Pro Traders, right? All right, so I'm gonna show you. I just withdrew another $2,800, and we're gonna do that in real time right now. All right, so let's go. Yeah. All right, so here you go. You see, I'm in my back office. So let's just go to where it says commission, and let's just go see what we made so far, where we at, and what we can withdraw. So right here, you see my year to date. I've already made over $25,000. Okay, yep. You see right there, right? And that's at the current price. Remember, Bitcoin rises, that price rises. Okay, and we made even more. Right now, available BTC for withdrawal. You see. Right there, that's about $2,800 right there to withdraw. So we're going to do that in real time, okay? So let's go right here where it says withdraw commissions. Are you sure we want to withdraw your commissions? Yep. All right, so now that has been deducted, as you can see, zero pending. And now let's go to my Exodus, where you can see right here, September 8th, 2021, which is today's date. And you can see right here, received a few seconds ago, okay? Now let's go see how much. Right there, $2,812. So you can see that instantly, right to my wallet. Okay, I just received those funds, and that's how easy it is to make money with Copy Pro Traders. Okay, that's simple. Set and forget. Excuse me. True set and forget system right here. Okay, because you're getting paid from, and the nice thing about it is, not only are you making money from trading, but you're also making money from the sharing with others. So when I share with others, I'm gonna make $20 for my directs. I'm gonna make $7 for everything after, as you can see right there, going down multiple levels. So you're gonna be able to actually earn both ways, okay? And I keep it real with that. So I keep it real with, you can earn from sharing, you can earn from trading. My thing is this: it doesn't cost anything extra to be able to make money from the sharing side of things. You see right here where it says affiliate. So it makes sense to be an affiliate, okay? It makes no sense, okay, not to be an affiliate and then leave money on the table, especially if you know other people that would love to take advantage of something as simple as just hooking up your API and then following the pro trader. And I can even show you right here where you see exchange settings. As you can see right here, that it's literally as simple as just taking the API key from your exchange and then copying it right here, hitting save, coming over here, putting how much you want to wager per trade. As you can see right now, I'm doing $300 per trade, and then you just pick the trader that you want. And the best trader, if you want to know which one's the best to choose from, is usually from top to bottom. Okay, so you'll see them rated from top to bottom. So whoever's at the top got the most trades the previous month, and now they're at the top of this. So as you can see, I got Carlos, and it's really as simple as that. So if you're more interested in the trading side of things, you want to see how well I've been performing with the trades, we can also go right here and we can go to trade history, and then we can actually see my open trades. So right now you can see that we have all these open at the moment. Okay, well, not all of these, but some of these open at the moment. So you can see right here, all the ones I say sell, I can sell those right now for profit or loss. Most likely it'll be a loss because if it was able to be in profit and able to close them already. So, but look at the ones that have closed. Okay, look at these. Look at all them greens. Look at all them greens. Look at all them greens. Okay, look at all that green. See, then you got a loss right there, one out of all those. And we can do pages and pages and pages of these trades. As you can see, look at this. Look at all the green. Look at all the green. I tell people all the time, hands down, this is my number one crypto income opportunity. And then look over here to the left at the date. So you know this is up to date. Look at that. Look how many trades. Let's go back to the beginning. Look how many trades was taken in the course of a week or a couple of days. So today's the 8th. So this one was taken on the 6th. Then on the 5th, we have 1, 2 trades taken. Then on the 3rd, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades taken. On the 2nd, 1, 2 trades taken. On the 1st, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 31st one. So as you can see, basically every day there's pretty much trades being taken if there's available trades that they can take. And as you can see, there are. Now, if there isn't anything available, then that probably means that they're just waiting for things to go back into the money, and then you'll just have a trade running. So, like on days we say, you know, they didn't take no trades or they didn't take that many, I probably had open trades at that particular time, and then they just added some to it. So, what they like to do is with CPT is they want to keep you in at least 10 trades or more at any given time. So, when people always ask, well, how much should I invest? Well, invest what you can, but what you should invest, what I recommend is enough for you to be able to be in 10 trades at any given time. So let's say you put $1,000 in, then that means you should be wagering at least $100 per trade, and that allows you to be in 10 trades at any given time, wagering 100, and you should see some significant results with that. So what I'm gonna do is I still got trades running, so I'm gonna let these close out, and what I'm gonna do is my next video, I'm gonna do a video just showing you how much I've made in profits, you know, inside the exchange and so forth and so on. All right, so I'll log into my Kraken exchange and then show you those results as well. Because you know me, I'm Mr. Documentation Beat Conversation. So I'm not here to try to fake it till we make it and show you, you know, what you want to see, but really it's an illusion. You know, we're not going to play magic with you. Now, I'm not going to show you something with the left, but we're doing something else with the right. All right. So if you're ready to get started with Copy Pro Trades today, you can hit that link below where you see it, say cptelite.com. And that will get you started, take you right to the get started page. You know, you can see the short video, see what it's all about. Or if you want to get access to everything that I have that makes me money online, you want to see exactly what I do on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis, then you can hit that QR code above and scan it with your phone. It'll take you right to my income opportunities. Or you can just text get money to 702-553-3326. Again, that's 702-553-3326. And you'll get text back all of my income opportunities I'm currently in and everything I have that makes me a lucrative passive residual income. Also, I know you've seen I use Kraken. You can also use Binance, and there's another one, but I think Binance and Kraken is the most popular. If you're international, I recommend Binance. If you're you know, in the US, I recommend Kraken. Okay? If you haven't already done so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That way that you get alerted when I do these type of videos and you don't be missing out on that news that you can use. Okay? I appreciate you. I see you on the next one. Until then, have a blessed day.